In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix DAZN application not working. So if DAZN application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After that, your application should work. But if your application still does not work, there might be some problem with the application itself. In order to fix it, what you can do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for DAZN. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for DAZN and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now your application should start working, but if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for DAZN and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the app info interface of DAZN. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of this application will be cleared. Now your application should start working, but if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be in your device itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on this option restart and your device will be restarted. Now all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and your application will start working. So that is how you fix DAZN app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.